Hello, I am back to share with you what I fed my family for the week. Now, as I mentioned before, I am the only person in my family that is strictly carnivore. So let's just jump right into it. Right here, this is what they had on Monday. Technically, Monday was supposed to be Meatless Monday, but I think that they are kind of over it. So right here, I have a frittata that I made with eggs, cheese, there's some salami in there, and then there's a side of salad, and then they also had some soup with it, some bone broth soup. And in the soup, I just mixed in eggs and butter and put in some salt. So it was a very filling meal for the family. They had tacos on Tuesday, and I used beef heart as the meat. And I just simply cut it up in small pieces and cook it in bacon fat. And I use lettuce as the taco shell, and we topped with avocado and some salsa. And actually, the children really enjoyed this. They did not know it was beef heart until after the fact because beef heart actually tastes like steaks. So they all consumed it. Of course, after the fact, when I told them what it was, they were grossed out. But at that point, it was over with and they enjoyed it. Okay, Wednesday was Wing Wednesday, and I made two types of wings for them. The first wing was a barbecue wing, and I use the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce from Trader Joe's. They absolutely love this thing. Whatever I put it on, they eat it up. The next, I had some buffalo chicken, and for the buffalo chicken, I just used some Louisiana red hot sauce, and I just mixed in some butter and garlic powder with the sauce and poured it over the chicken and baked it for an additional 5 minutes or so after the chicken was done. And then right here, it's just some potatoes with bell peppers. Simple meal, and it was enjoyed by everyone. Thursday was Thai Thursday, so I made a curried coconut dish. And what I did was I used cauliflower rice as the base, and I cooked some coconut cream with shrimp, chicken, bell peppers, snow peas, and I'm trying to think if there was anything else in there. Oh, and fresh basil. And this was something that they all enjoyed. I'll post a recipe for this soon. Friday was fish fry Friday, and I just made them some fried fish. And honestly, they just grabbed whatever random side they could find. I didn't prepare any specific side for it. And for the sauce, I just used some homemade mayo, and I put in some cayenne pepper, some dill, and I put a little bit of lemon juice in there and just mixed it all around to make somewhat of a dipping sauce. And it was something that they all enjoyed. And that is it, the meals for the week. Hope this inspired you in some way.